Okay, so today I will show you a HUD I made for a first-person shooter. So first off, start with references. So I wanted to make a Halo-y looking HUD, um, and so here's like some of my reference stuff I kind of used. So we'll open up my. Don't look at that. So this was the first design that I made for my HUD, a real alpha prototype. And then, so here's the next prototype I made. Very similar, just a little better. And over here is some crosshairs that I made. So after all that, here's like the final thing I ended up using. I took a screenshot of the game so I could kind of see where I wanted things to be placed and all of that. So this is the final thing I used to import some of my assets and stuff like that. So yeah, let's look at game. So I'm gonna hit play. You can see all my HUD stuff is there. And that was pretty much my main goal for this. I did a bunch of extra stuff too. Like I got an ammo counter work there in the bottom right. And it has the like video game kind of reloading where you don't lose ammo when you reload. It just because like in real life, if I got rid of this clip right now, I would lose all that ammo. But in video games, most video games, it's set up with a different kind of reload system where you keep all the ammo. So like as you can see, I used 3 bullets, so it just subtracts 3 instead of all that 27 that I had. And then I'll quickly get down to 0, and you can see I can no longer fire when I'm at 0 until I reload. Again. And to make that work, which is complicated. So it was in here. Here was some stuff. I don't remember what this does at all. It was something I added. Sorry, I don't remember. But here's the whole reload thing. I had to make a function called the reload function. I had to have a float set up for a bunch of stuff, like my current ammo, how much ammo is in a magazine, the max amount of ammo I have, and like the ammo difference. So it's just a bunch of complicated stuff on if this happens, then this will happen kind of stuff. It's a lot. So and then another thing I did, I made a new HUD. I don't remember how I set that up, but it's just when it begins play, it uses the widget I made, this class I called HUD, instead of just the default HUD thingy that already comes with the first-person shooter. I guess I can open up the HUD. So here's how it's all laid out. For some reason, things weren't sized correctly when I was like making it, but in game they're in the right place. But you just kind of take images and place them and stuff like that. Unlike my health bar thing, I had no way to show, but it does work. You can see it goes down. I have the same image for the background thing, so it looks weird. That's why it's there. There's that orange color in the back. I want to change that one day. But yeah, that's how that works. And it's pretty cool. So yeah, I think that is all I wanted to talk about. So, yeah, thanks.